Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing one contact method and a working browser. This speeds verification. Once ready, open account. Microsoft. Com and click Create Account. Choose whether to use an email address, phone number, or new Skype ID, then enter that contact. Make sure the contact is accessible because Microsoft will send a code. After entering it, you'll immediately move on to creating a secure password so you can protect this new account from the first moment. Next, you'll enter personal details and secure credentials. You'll create and confirm a strong password. Aim for 8 or more characters mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Then fill in your name, country, and birth date so regional settings and recovery work correctly. After that, complete the CAPTCHA to prove you're human, then request the verification code. Microsoft will text or email it. Once you receive the code, type it into the form to confirm ownership and move. To finish, enable two-step verification or at least add a recovery email and phone. This prevents lockouts. Review privacy and add preferences so your settings match your comfort level, then accept the terms to activate the account. Install Microsoft Authenticator for faster multi-factor login if you want extra security. If you don't receive the verification code, try resending after checking spam and correct number. If still blocked, clear browser cache or try a different device to resolve delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.